Alright guys, this is going to be a lot quicker video right here, because this one we're going to be talking about what is an integer and what is absolute value. Alright, absolute value. Alright, integer you should already know basically is any positive or negative counting number. Counting number. What do I mean by counting number? These are the numbers that you learn to count with. You started with 1. You didn't start counting with 0. You started counting with 1. But 0 is technically a integer. It's just this placeholder on the number line between positive 1 and negative 1 falls 0. Alright, so every number that you count with. So basically, when you learn to count, you didn't go 1, 1.5, 2. So 1.5 is not an integer because you didn't learn to count with that. So it's simply only 1, 2, 3, etc. Same thing to the negative side. Negative 2, negative 3, and so on. Alright, absolute value is a pretty quick, simple concept. Alright, it's often done by these bars right here. If you see a number inside of 2 bars, that's going to be, it's asking for the absolute value. So regardless of what the number is, all absolute value means is the distance a number is away from 0. Okay? Now, Mr. Consalvi already talked to you a little bit about 0 and distance. Distance has no negative. There's no such thing as a negative distance. Alright? So what he means by that in terms of math is if you have a 4 right here, or maybe you have a negative 7 right here. Alright? If I want to know the absolute value of negative 7, it's asking what is the distance away from 0. Doesn't matter if you count that from here or you count that from here. You know you got to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spots to get there. The distance is 7. Same thing with the absolute value of 4. Your distance to 0 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Your distance is 4. Alright? So regardless of what number you have inside of an absolute value symbol, the outcome should always be positive. Because there's no negative distance. Alright. It should be pretty straightforward. If you have any questions about that, please let me know. Thank you.